Hello students, this is week number 12. Welcome to Tourism English 2 Made Easy and Enjoyable. In this feature today, we are going to look at Tourism English 2 Study Letter 12. Just from your book, we are looking at the certain things in our study this week. So I will go for your benefit in this letter, your first task this week is, of course, I just say hi, students. I've got here, let's go here, up, down. There it is. Hi, students. By now, your three parts are prepared for the final exam. Yes. Please add photos or diagrams, please. The artist page is ready, right? Scriptwriter, your HWP is ready. You've typed it. Researcher, your paper is ready. It was just last week and Thursday. You finished that, and from Thursday today. But what about the MC? Oh, what about? That's the big question. What about the MC, right? So, okay, MC, don't cry. What about you? We are going to take care of you soon. Okay, so can the MC, and this is what we are asking, can the MC, with the help of the team design, from the team, design and type 4 pages, all right? 4 pages. The title page, it's the first page, right? With the team members on it and so on. The content page, first the artist, then the scriptwriter, then the researcher, and then me, I'm coming for the conclusion. Conclusion page. And the sayonara page, the last bye-bye page. Okay, for example, MC, you will say, if you use now the title page, then go to the content page, then go to the conclusion page, then as you speak, you see, you start speaking here, then you start speaking here, then you disappear, and the artist and scriptwriter and the researchers, they are speaking their papers. Then you come back, MC, and you speak this, and you do this, right? So you do the following. You say, you go to the front, right after singing a song, the song we will do next week. You come back and you say, "Hello, everyone. I am so happy to see you here for our presentation. Our title for this presentation is Visiting the Kruger National Park in South Africa." Wow! Yes, the team members are myself as MC, Chongyok Che, the artist. The artist is Sookyoung Kim, and, okay? Our content will cover the following features. First, the artist will speak about etc., etc. Oh, teacher, tell us more. Yes, you can. Okay, right. But for now, for this week, back to the guide. Now, go to page 76 until 85 for this week in the study guide PDF. You will notice that I ask you to go to, what did I do now? Go back, down. All right, you will notice that I apologize here. There. Sorry about that, but we have to skip chapter 9. Why? Because did you see that I have not put up the vocabulary for the restaurant part? Ha! Teacher typo error. We will edit and fix it. Let us go on to chapter 10 this week. Okay, chapter 10 is about emergencies, right? So what do you need to do with emergencies? Very simple. You need to do Pakibule. Grab your dictionaries and what is embassy in Korean? You write it here, right? What is wallet? This you know already. It's not your first time. Go through that for us. Do all that it says there. I will just go back. Do the voka. Do the voka. Here it says. Do the voka on page 76. It says there, page 76 and 77 in the book, right? So I have the book here, and I can go back. I can show you. This is the chapter we are dealing with here. 76, right? And if I slide down, 77. Okay, and then we have a lot of pictures that we cannot do anything now about because we are not in the class situation. But as you can see here, what's this guy's problem? Oh, you can see he has a problem, right? Okay, and what is his problem? All right. And what about this one? What is his problem? Back pain, of course. Toothache, right? This one is, what is that? Come on, it's a brain. So, mind, headache. I've got a headache. How about our great dog here? Look at him. What is his problem? I have a headache. Because of soccer. What is my problem? Right. And what this guy, you cannot fail to see. He has what pain? Pain, stomach ache, we call it. All right. And this one, he has a flu, right? Influenza. I have a flu. This one, come on, you cannot miss the toothache of this guy. And so you go on. What is the baby? Our baby is crying. We cannot figure out what is his problem, right? With babies, it's more difficult. But stomach pain, headache, all right. And then, because it's winter, many pains you can have. And then, what is this guy? Coronavirus. He has influenza. He has a flu. Okay. Basically, because, all right, back pain, he broken leg, right? So we are going through here. Oh, my nose is running. My nose is running, and my feet are smelling. No, that's an African joke. Teacher, you have no joke. You can see here. Okay, back pain, neck pain. You can say back pain. All right. This is influenza, all kinds of pains at various places, at the joints, muscles, systemic fever, central, all kinds of respiratory, and your pharynx, at the back where you swallow, gastric, all kinds of problems when you are sick, right? Oh, this one is also, I have a flu. I really cut the finger, right? Broken the leg, back pain. We are again back to back pain. Where is it in your book? That's back pain. This is nothing less than a headache, right? That's the best way to take care of a headache. Okay, and then he has got the broken leg, the cat, and so you give him some balloons and things. All right, check the fever. Stomach. My stomach is burning. I have burns on my stomach. Stomach pain. I cut my finger, right? And then influenza virus came in here. Or be careful. of the what virus? Yes, be careful of the virus, the virus of the. All right, that brings us then to, but actually, let's go to this page. Now on emergencies, we'll do this page, which is page 82. There it is, 82. And we'll do actual role play, start preparing. Now here is VOCA 2. That's what my point is. Go down the VOCA here. There, what is recommend? What is pharmacy? Now I'm going back to our study letter because that is what it's all about. Pages 82, for example. There, I got it for you. You can see here. Recommend. Please write the Korean. Right? Pharmacy. Korean. Headache. Korean. Toothache. Korean. Stomach ache. Right. And then, and it says what? And. Now, on page 82, select words from the blue margin on the right. Select from this margin here, select here, any word, and substitute, let's say, headache, no, because here is headache. See, here in the role play, headache. You don't want that. You want to use, let's say, toothache. Toothache over here, and you put toothache into headache, toothache over here. Put it there. Change it. Fever, no. I have a sore throat. I have a toothache and a sore throat. All right. Now you come to well. Can you see here well? For this, you go down. You go down this blue list. Go down. Down. Yeah. Can you see sentence starters over here? Now what you do here is change it, please. For example, actually, the first one. Actually, we are still on page 82. Take actually, and bring it and change well. Well. You say, actually, the best toothache. You have changed this to toothache. Medicine is this one. And we have several medicines for, what was the other one we chose? Sore throat. Okay. Then, all right, go through this. Okay. Go through this. Finish this for us. There are 2 role plays here. In the examination room is the second one. In the examination room with Dr. Alston. Yes, this is my house doctor that I had in when I was a young boy, Dr. Alston. And yes, go through here. By the way, he died about 2 years ago. So I saw him for the last time just shortly before he died. All right, here is the nurse interview form. So the nurse is going to ask you a question. You do this one too. I am going to ask you some questions. Do you mind? What is your blood type? All right. You answer what? O plus, A minus, B minus, A, B, C. Teacher, you have no joke. Your joke is no jam. Students, do take this and ask role play. Call each other. Let's go back to the letter because the letter is asking just that. Select the words, okay, that you already said. You put it there. You're going to put it there, right? Here is the example. Good morning. Can you recommend some medicine for a stomach pain and drunkenness in the head? And on top of it, I feel sick. Pharmacist, instead of well, you go to the sentence starter. You see here, sentence starter and a margin below. You say, actually, the best stomach pain medicine is this one. And we have several medicines for fever now. You're going to use drunkenness in the head. Are you looking for something strong or weak? Customer, strong, I guess. or week, I guess. All right. Frankly, do you have blah, 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 something that is very mild, very, very mild. And then here are the sentence starters for the well. Instead of well, you say what? I already said, actually, frankly. Instead of well, you say on the reflection. Instead of well, you say to be honest. Instead of well, you say to tell you the truth. Instead of well, you say it is fair to say. Okay? First of all, next, and so on. All right, and then on page 83, you do the same. There is a second one on page 83. You do that role play too. Now the nurse interview, what I talked about is here, right in front of you. What is your blood type? You ask. O plus, A plus, A minus, B minus, AB, or something else. So students, do this. Do what? Do these two. Now, last task is send me a kakao of 2 talking the activities on page 83 and 82 and 83. It's this. Send it to me. Do this, right? Send it to me. Call your team member. Speak the following activity. 1 point %. Below is an example. So what you do? Role play, switch, role play, and nurse interview. Next, what do you do? Next is Kakao Talk. Sayonara. Thank you.